Hello everyone, how are you? So today we are going to revise the phonic sound. We have already done it previously, so now we are just going to revise it one more time. So let's begin with our first sound. Sound of CK is K, 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 K. Sound of E is A, A, A. Break the egg in the pan and make the sound A, A. Good. Now next, sound of H is hold up your hand to your mouth, panting as if you're out of your breath and say correct like that. Now sound of D is beat your hand up and down and as if you are playing a drum and say D, 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 D. Sound of D is D, D, D. Very good. Sound of M is rub your tummy and say mm. Rub your tummy and say mm. R is for rose and sound of R is r. Our lion roars, you have to make the sound like that and say r. Now we are going to take the words related to the sounds we have done just now. So let's begin with our first word. So you have to count the dots and tell me how many sounds are there. Can you count the dots? How many dots are there? 3 dots are there. So how many sounds are there? 3. Let's just make the sound and blend it together. D, A, N, D. Clap and blend it. Very good. Now next, M sound word. How many sounds are there? 3 sounds. Man. Well done. Now next, how many sounds are there? 3 sounds. How many sounds? 3 sounds. So do the first action. Do the action of and make the sound of the words. Now blend. So what we are going to do? Blend it. Map. Correct in this way only. Now our third word is how many sounds are there? 3 sounds are there. Match. So you're going to say the sound individually, then you're going to blend it by clapping your hands. R sound words. Red. Like that. Well done. So now I'm going to discuss about the activity, the Raksha Bandhan activity and the Orange Day celebration. So we are going to do this activity on 30th of July. Students are requested to wear orange dress on that day as we are selling the Orange Day. But if you are not having orange dress, you can take anything that is an orange color, like any toy, whatever you have that is an orange color, you can keep it with yourself. Orange craft sheet which you get in your book set, just take that craft sheet, you can make anything out of that, or you can keep that only. Orange color fruit, any fruit which is an orange color you can take, like you can take an orange itself. Vegetable, you can take an orange vegetable like carrot or any orange colored thing, but it has to be available at your home. You don't want to go out and buy stuff. No need to go out and buy anything, just whatever available at home, just use that. And about Rakhi making activity, on the same day we are going to do the Rakhi making activity on the 30th of July. As the Raksha Bandhan is coming, So we are going to surprise our brother and sister also with the handmade Rakhis, which you are going to prepare for them. Okay? So whatever we can require for that, the things we require for that are thick craft sheets, foam sheets, beads, yarn, ribbon, moly, glitter sheet. It has to be at your home only, available at your home only. No need to buy anything. If you're having craft sheets, you can use that. If not, you can use anything. If you're not having ribbon to tie it, you can use yarn, you can use moly, anything, but it has to be available at your home. No need to buy any stuff. Some references of the handmade Rakhis are given here. You can see that. So the first and the second Rakhi is made out of foam sheet. If you have foam sheet, you can take these ideas and can prepare it like that. The third one is beads Rakhi. If you are having beads at home, you can make that. And if not, you can take some other ideas. Yarn Rakhi, you can use yarn if you are having at home. Just cut it into like that and you can prepare a Rakhi. So we are going to do that on 30th July together as an activity. We are going to celebrate Orange Day and we're going to prepare Rakhi. Okay. So the watermelon Rakhi, you can see that it is out of glitter sheet. The ribbon Rakhi made out of ribbon, and this one is made out of craft paper, which you are having in the book set. You can, if you're not having anything, you can just make it out of the paper. So these are paper Rakhis. You can see that the first one and the second one. So you can take any ideas, but the materials has to be present at home. No need to buy anything. Okay. So be ready for 30th July. Thank you and stay safe.